pretend.
That's a great idea. Let's pretend.
Yeah, let's pretend.
Where could the pretend TV be? Oh.
Oh. Sure. From the store.
What'd you get at the store?
It's a movie.
Oh, where are we gonna watch it?
On the computer. It's called.
Where's our pretend computer?
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, great.
That's a pretend computer. Sure. Bye.
Oh, you put it in the player. Okay.
Yeah, that's there.
All right.
Let me try to fix it.
Do, 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 do.
There we go.
Okay. Here it goes. Ooh. Do, 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 do.
Let's have to fix it. His radio's not on.
The music's not on?
No.
Try pushing that button.
That's how it gets the movie on.
There's the sound. Now we hear it.
No, that's just a movie.
Do, 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 do. Why don't you guys sing along? Do, 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 do,
Baby Keeper, Baby Keeper.
Yes.
This is just. It's not a radio. It's little people. Let's watch Diego. Woo! I gotta go buy it from the store.
Okay, but don't step on the DVD
I
case.
won't go buy it.
Don't step on that. Okay, why don't you pick up the other movie, please, and put it away so we can return.